Hello Monster Jam fans, and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today we're going to take a look at the brand new Champ Ramp Freestyle set by Spin Master. Well, welcome back everyone. Today is yet another playset review, and it is the highly anticipated Champ Ramp Freestyle set. Unlike previous sets which I have reviewed, this is not a mascot set, but rather a stunt set with a bunch of different ramps and different angles to do some jumps and backflips with. And this truck is Son-Uva Digger, which is included. That is my favorite truck in the real circuit, and I am so thrilled to finally own a Son-Uva Digger truck. And here it is. This is the front of the packaging. And I want to make a little quick note. That little El Toro Loco there looks like the 2005 El Toro Loco with the white horns and red body. I'm not sure if that's maybe what will be coming out in the future, but that looks super awesome. Check out that. And also, you'll notice that these trucks do have BKT printing on the packaging. That is not included in the actual truck, so you guys will not be seeing what is pictured here. Just a heads up. And you can see there's some trucks with some different colored ribs and stuff as well. So these are just illustrations. These are not what you will receive. Just making a little note there. And you can see it says all new for 2019, and of course, true metal, authentic Monster Jam product. And you can see also, I did do a review on this already, the Zombie Madness playset. And here's the back. You can see the Son-Uva Digger truck right there. And you can see it jumping off the ramps. There's the backflip ramp right here. This is a corkscrew style ramp, and there's a couple different ramps to jump through. And of course, it includes a launcher, and it says flip it, jump it, crash it, smash it, and do it again. And you can see it says slam down to launch. You can see all the different stuff and the truck, of course. And it includes one Son-Uva Digger Monster Jam truck, one launcher, one sticker sheet, one 6-inch track piece, 6 ramp pieces, one launch stabilizer, and one instruction sheet. And of course, the truck included is an exclusive truck, so you guys will not be able to find this edition of Son-Uva Digger with this specific rim color and roll cage color in the future. So you can see right there, it says exclusive and a gold badge. So let's go take this truck out of the box. Let's do a review on the truck, and then we'll take a look at the playset. Here it is, the Son-Uva Digger truck by Spin Master. This, of course, is my favorite truck in real life for Monster Jam, and I am thrilled to finally own one by the new company. So this thing's beautiful. I'm so happy with how they did this design. It has the blue roll cage, the blue rims, and of course this brand new casting for this truck. I do have the Mattel Hot Wheels Monster Jam version from 2018 to compare it to. So you can see there's the comparison between the Son-Uva Digger trucks. And you can see this one actually does look more accurate because it does come down to the wheelie bar, which this one kind of cuts off right up here. And you can see this one actually does feature headlight printing with the headlight socket outline and also grille printing, which is not a feature of the Son-Uva Digger by Mattel. And you can see this one also has a triangular shape towards the front. And this one's just a flat grille. So you can see the difference there. So this one's definitely more detailed and more accurate to the real truck. And it does have the flames on the hood and all that stuff that comes along with a Son-Uva Digger real truck. And there's the roof. So that's the new one, and we're going to take a look at that one a little closer. You can see all the details here. So pretty cool truck. One of my favorites so far by Spin Master for sure. Let's take this thing down to the playset and see how it handles on the backflip ramp and all the other stunts. So here it is, the brand new Champ Ramp Freestyle set by Spin Master. You can see all these different little angles that it can go at. This is a master jump here, so you can go underneath this overhang, through and up and out. And you can see another ramp here. This is the corkscrew ramp, and this one back here is the backflip ramp, which I will demonstrate in just a moment. It does feature one launcher with stickers, so you can put these little lightning stickers on with the sparks. So let's check this out. This is the normal ramp, so if we were to do this, it should just launch right over here. I want to launch it through the main ramp first, so the overhang ramp. So let's check that out here. And here we go, the middle ramp test. So it does launch it pretty good. It launched all the way out over the backflip ramp, so up and over. So now we're a little farther away. We're going to test the corkscrew ramp. I am doing it by my hand. I'm not going to do it with the launcher here. So we're going to launch it up here. Hopefully it should do a corkscrew and land on its wheels. So it should hit like that and do some sort of corkscrew. So let's go ahead and test it out. 1, 2, 3. That was pretty awesome. And now we're going to test the backflip ramp. So this should hit the backflip ramp and do a backflip. Here, I have not tested this before, so this is the first official backflip ramp test for this Champ Ramp Freestyle set. That was a pretty solid backflip. It did over-rotate. Here we go. Over-rotation again. Very cool set. I think this is awesome, and I think the younger crowd will definitely love this set for their own backflips and corkscrews and all this different stuff. So let me know what you guys thought about this playset below. Let me know what you think about the Son-Uva Digger truck, of course, in the comments below as well. I will do a more detailed review and comparison in the future when we do get this truck in the singles. So what an awesome truck. I am so happy that they released this one, and of course this beautiful set with a corkscrew ramp, a double backflip ramp, and a few different ramps to jump with. So awesome set by Spin Master, highly recommended, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. This is Ryan Monster Jam OCD, signing out.